good morning, good afternoon, good evening, whatever time it is that you may be watching this. So I did a quick review on the beef stroganoff meals for both of these companies, and right now I'm also doing the part 2, which is the chicken and rice and the chicken and rice. Peak Refuel says home style. Mountain House just says chicken or rice and chicken, excuse me. So here they are. I've been using Mountain House for a while, for several years now, and this year I'm going to be trying the Peak Refuel, which I'm kind of excited about, something different. And as you can see, the Mountain House is 6.38 ounces and it's 3 servings per package, while the Peak Refuel is 2 servings and it's 5.15 ounces for the package. So right here we're looking, actually it doesn't say it, so as we flip them backward and look at the nutritional facts on both of them, here is the Mountain House meals, and with the Mountain House it shows the nutritional facts as per serving. So there's that one, while the Peak Refuel, which I really like how they did their nutritional facts, is per serving and per package. So there it is there. Get a little glimpse of that. So the Mountain House rice and chicken is 270 calories, 10 grams of fat, 10 milligrams of sodium, 10 milligrams of cholesterol, 750 milligrams of sodium, 41 grams of carbohydrates, 1 gram of dietary fiber, 0 sugars, 6 grams of protein, while the Peak Refuel is 370 calories. It is 18 grams of fat. It is 90 milligrams of cholesterol, 610 milligrams of sodium, 30 grams of carbohydrates, 2 grams of dietary fiber, 3 grams of sugar, 0 grams of added sugars, and 20 grams of protein. So there it is there. And as I stated in the video with the beef stroganoff, as you're hiking and backpacking, whether you're hunting or just recreational, your body burns a crazy amount of calories, burns a lot of fat, a lot of carbohydrates, and a lot of protein. So throughout the day, you need the sugars, you need the protein, you need the carbohydrates, and you need the calories. And also you need the fats. Fats is an important part of your liver function as well, and also it is part of your energy source. So usually when I'm packing, as I stated before, I'm usually burning a lot of calories, 3,500 to 4,500 calories per day. And so, as I like to say, carbohydrates, they refuel your sore, tired, and achy muscles, while protein rebuilds and restores your sore, tired, achy, and broken down muscles. That's why your muscles get sore, is you're actually breaking them, you're in a sense breaking them down, and you need the protein to help rebuild the cells. So that's just a little bit of that. Sugars are a quick burn. Carbohydrates are right behind sugars on the burn, and your fat is your most dense and complex stored energy source. So whether you're spending 2 days, 4 days, 5 days, 2 weeks, 3 weeks up in the mountains, like hiking the Pacific Crest Trail or any of those huge trails, especially guys, we need a lot of protein and a lot of calories to maintain muscle mass and not lose muscle mass. So a lot of people, they've documented that after a week or 2 or 3 on the trail, they actually started losing muscle mass in their legs, and that's because, in a sense, they're not consuming enough calories or protein, and you really need a lot of protein. So with that, as far as the Mountain House meals and the Peak Refuel, as far as protein goes and calories, I'm really looking at the Peak Refuel. So hopefully it tastes as good as the chicken and rice, which I've been using for years, and I'm really kind of hoping it tastes as good, if not better, simply because of the calorie amount and the protein amount. The carbohydrates, yeah, they're 11 grams different, which at the end of the night, that's going to help as your body's resting and recouping. You need those carbs to replenish the glucose in your muscles. So anyway, yeah, there it is there. And as we can see, I like with both of these, they have the easy tear notches, and also they have the Ziploc for when you pour in your boiling water. You could seal them. That way, if they fall over, you're not going to lose all that precious nutrients. So anyway, there it is there, and then it basically comes down to your choice of flavor, and what you want to pack, and the weight, and how much you're going to be burning. So that's just my take on it. I thank you for watching, and I hope you have a great day.